Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Favor, and today we want to talk about the Japa economy. Is brain drain hurting or helping Nigeria? So let's get right into it. So every day, hundreds of young Nigerians leave the country in search for better jobs, for security, for healthcare, for education, and there has been a high wave of mass migration, popularly known as Japa, which has become one of the defining features of Nigeria's economy and social landscape. But while many see brain drain as a national tragedy, some economists have argued that it might be helping the economy in unexpected ways. For instance, the African director, IMF, Abebe Selassie, he stated that while Nigeria's diaspora migration is a loss, it's also an opportunity as remittance, diaspora investment, and foreign engagement can all support economic development in the country. So, which is it? Are we going to say brain drain is helping or hurting? Let us analyze it. On one hand, Nigeria is losing some of its brightest mind. Like we have our doctors leaving the country, we have engineers leaving, we have tech talents leaving, we have academics leaving the country. And these are the very people that could help build a better Nigeria. They are relocating to the likes of UK, US, Canada, and beyond. This represents a huge loss of human capital in our country because we're experiencing issues of short staff in our hospitals, our startups are struggling to retain developers, our universities are bleeding lecturers, we have shortage of lecturers in the university. All of this contribute to slow development in the country. But here's the twist. Those who leave often send money back into Nigeria. In fact, Nigeria has received over $20 billion in annual remittance from the diaspora in 2024, which is more than what we earn in oil in some years. These remittance support families, they fund school fees, they pay hospital bills, they even help businesses survive. In some cases, they fund local investments in real estate, in agriculture, and fintech, which is what we experience in Nigeria till date. We have some people outside the country sending money to invest in real estate, to invest in agriculture and fintech. But this is why we call it the Japa economy. Yes, we are losing talent, but we're also gaining foreign income. However, there's a limit to how far this can go because a country cannot continue to outsource its future. Even though remittance are helpful, it's not reasonable that we are substituting remittance for domestic productivity and development because we actually need our domestic economy to grow. We need our people to be productive instead of going out there and just sending the money back in. So to really benefit from the jackpot trend, Nigeria needs to intentionally engage with its members in the diaspora. This means we can offer investment opportunities, we can include them in policy discussion, the government can create pathways for their easy return or remote collaboration whereby the individuals here and individuals in the diaspora can collaborate on how to make the country better. At the same time, there is need for we to address the root cause of migration in the country. We can trace some of the root cause of high migration in Nigeria to the issue of insecurity, from banditry to terrorism. That's a major case, particularly in the north, as issue of personal safety is now a luxury in many parts of Nigeria. We have issues of poor infrastructural facilities, we have unstable power supply, and there's lack of jobs, where even first-class graduates struggle to get dignified job in Nigeria. We also have the issue of gaps in trust in governance because in Nigeria currently we have many Nigerians that no longer believe in the system. They don't believe that the system can work for them. A lot of Nigerians just know that I just need to leave the country, else nothing can work. So are we going to say brain drain is good or bad? I would say the answer is dependent on what we do with it. Right now, we have issues of talent leaving the country. Nigeria is bleeding talent, but with the right policy, The diaspora could also become a force for national renewal. So, looking at it from both angles, I would like to hear your views. What is your perspective on this subject matter? So I'd like to hear your views in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe to get more interesting videos like this. Thank you.